Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking assist, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.